Michaela, as I stand in front of you today, getting ready to take your hand in marriage, I remember the very first moments we would spend our time together. I remember thinking to myself, man, how did I get so lucky to have this gorgeous woman by my side? That was almost 4 years ago. Now, as I am standing here in front of you in your beautiful wedding dress and in front of all these wonderful people, I know that I am truly blessed. Michaela, your love is something that amazes me each and every single day. You have the heart of a giant, and I promise to protect, love, and cherish that heart. I promise to strive for that stunning smile of yours. I promise to strive for that corny but cute laugh of yours. I promise to always be there for you through the good times and the bad. I promise to evolve, adapt, grow into the man that I am meant to be. Most importantly, I promise to love you each and every single day like there is no tomorrow. Today, on October 22nd, 2017, with the boldest move that we've ever made in our lives, I am ready to call you my wife.
Kev, my best friend, my soulmate. 4 years ago, I never thought I'd be standing in front of you exchanging the vows that we will hold on to forever, and I'm honored you've chosen me. Before I met you, my outlook on love wasn't hopeful, but then you came along and changed my entire life around. Before you, I didn't know how to believe in myself, but you've taught me to never give up, and you've truly shown me how to find the light in even the worst situations, and for that I am forever grateful. You've helped me become the best me. You've taken on the most important thing in my life without hesitation, my beautiful little girl who loves you just as unconditionally as I do. You've led me to grow closer to my faith and relationship with God, and that's why I couldn't imagine doing this with anyone else but you. I promise to never stop reminding you to chew with your mouth closed and no smacking at the dinner table. I promise to tell you your muscles look big in that shirt every morning, but most importantly, I vow to be the woman you fell in love with last year, today, and tomorrow. To fall more in love with you every single day, and to always keep God at the center of our relationship. I love you more than life itself, and I'm so ready to take on this journey by your side as your wife.
That's my wife right there. Say it out loud. That's my wife. Say it again. That's my wife.
Say it to the camera.
That's my wife.
Hey, Kev.
That's my wife.